go and play, man. That plug out.
Any tricks?
Yeah, one play, man.
I rush try the full dance and say to you, yeah, me the king, man. Reggae king in the next channel. That's why I'm going to stay up here. Conquering lion of the tribe of this dance. I get me now. No, I never been someone shy. I'm like a king, afraid I'm a guy. So don't try. No. Oh yes, I send a request to Father and tell him play a sweet love song. My dance with the princess. Say, I'll be a man, some jump and love, but Reggae King play for all of the princess them cause.
That's how they dance call and bound. The best Reggae King and we throw them down. That's how they dance call and bound. Can't take the Reggae King crown. That's how they dance call and bound. The best Reggae King and we throw them down. Big up on the bound. That's how they dance call and bound. Just hear them. Racing in the homes. Satellite. Doesn't matter what you pay down some boy, as long as you're not paying right, you're gonna suffer tonight. Okay. When you try to dump this Reggae King sound, and try to dump it God around, you will get thrown down. What sets doesn't make to start down, and in the end. Please ring Bring it tempo. Last time I'm sitting I no time for ya. Singing on me, the whole one that's with me. Sing this with the song of the Reggae King free. Open the hill with the finger down cool. Put it down, that's all it down in my pool. Staying away from the land of a fool. The Reggae King we do ya. It's a fire. The Reggae King. Reggae King playing the music always. No massive, let's rise and shine. Give Reggae King something to be. Playing good music always. No massive, you should open your eyes and sing. Let us sing and shout. Reggae King sound praises forever, so the world can see how the champion sound should be. Knowing that Reggae King sound is the #1 champion sound around, and all the world agree. Reggae King sound. One of these fine days, some boys will realize Reggae King sound is a champion. One of these days, fans will understand Reggae King sound is the #1. One of these fine days, some boys will realize Reggae King sound is a champion. Tonight is the night, and will understand.
For the older men know it's right to do it to knock down the flag with many stripes. Good Lord, yes, you have answered Reggae King's prayer. For no shame in misery. Yes, you have lived in the sound, and you put in desire from all embarrassment and misery. Reggae King born again. Oh, yeah. Reggae King sound. King Reggae sound, yeah. Oh, yeah. For the older men know it's right to do it to knock down the flag with many stripes. Sound biological. Ooh, good Lord, yes, you have answered Reggae King's prayer. No shame.
Oh yeah. Oh, Reggae King, are you a play? Every sound got their eyes on me. everything I know how. Sound boy, won't you go home to your nana, go home to your nana, reggae king and the danger, reggae king and the teacher. No, a little sound boy, won't you go home to your nana, go home to your nana, reggae king and the danger. You are not your mouth, but you are too young, sound boy. And if you try this, even if I sound wide, with his back against the wall. Even if I sound wide, with his the reggae king and ball. Even if I sound wide, who know I know that's a job. Hey, you're gonna have them all.
Reggae king is for the most I job. Through your troubles and trials, he comfort you. Cause it's for the most I job.
Yeah, keep them fire burning to the fire and you can tell them you need that sun right away.
Reggae king a stop from fire with the band. Now on the world guys who get on this band. He them such a strength of a good nigga. Them bully, so now they need that song for that. So reggae king a stop from fire with the band. Now on the world guys who get on this band. He them such a strength. Yeah, but hey them bully. He deals them good, it's not that good. We're telling them something, it's the one. Them children, reggae king sound, some boy gonna come out after midnight. I need a body light, reggae king take your life. What you go on, when you come out after
So they say, I'm ready to kill a sound and take with them girlfriend. Oh yeah. When reggae king sing up and a play like a dancer, when he pass on and the one young and the drama. Reggae king can kill any sound you wanna. Take with all your girl and then we ask her what you wanna. Then my face is to take a woman left to meet this man. Reggae king sound and number one. So that's enough to know now. You know there's some songs I've played for you. Cause you don't have a woman to go home to. Father do what take with all your woman. And then murder your slumber.
so they wanna be like nothing on. The multiple like king machine can on and on. So the lights on. Yeah, from dusk till dawn. And somebody should have done before because I'm gone. It's a bit strong. And the love son boy, you said them correct the North Pole. The whole is blind through the moon. I don't believe I know Reggae king is so.
Reggae King sound play. I know so now to run down. Tonight a sun barrier, tonight a sun barrier, tonight a hem barrier now. Reggae, kill them. The thirsty a kill them. One grave I go kick for them. Just put that on them. Bumbo class Reggae King, you a murderer. You don't have sound boy wrong God. Yes, you a conqueror. That's a sound with your lion paw. Reggae King a murderer. This song, I see. I feel them up, I know this place around me. I saw the jump and down around me, this place around me. I never try them down, this place around me. The jump and down around me, this place around me. I never try them down, we don't care about why them up. Reggae King a bad song, and it's better than you. This father put back gunshot to your crew a bad song, and it's better than you. Say you higher than, but higher than you a bad song, and it's better than you. This father put back gunshot to your crew a bad song, and it's better. Reggae King song.
Tell me what pussy done to you. Boy, why you a live like a cannibal and a fuck animal?
Yes, then that. See, that's when three sounds goes to war. Only Reggae King gonna wear the crown. And when two sounds goes to war, only Reggae King gonna some boy I go be. Listen, Reggae King have no mercy. Send some drum back sound to the cemetery. Kill them all, kill them all. Kill them all, kill them all. Cry like a baby, begging for mercy. Reggae King, my people. A Reggae King I play, and the baddest song.
Reggae King.
And the baddest in this world right now. Killer from the sound and set the world right now. And up sound and set them sound. So Reggae King I drop them in the road. The baddest in this world right now. Killer from the sound and set them world right now. And up sound and set them sound. So Reggae King I drop them in the road. Tell them, Father God, you alone can protect me. If you play with that, I tell you to have a earth. Oh no, because you're not playing with. And I saw the lady you play my son. The power of the love system is wrestling now. You kill them now, Reggae King. Kill them now. And I sing glory, say glory and the long that sound white. That mean you're gonna come and they won't have them to know. Kill them now, Reggae King. Reggae King live.
Hold on about myself, right? You know our style different to that, some of your style my rounds.
Watch out, this is Lucky D representing Stumpy Sound, aka DJ Trey. How many of them play national anthem all the while? I never hear them play the pledge. Watch out, this is Lucky D and a Stumpy alone can blast that one. Look here. Stumpy Sound will kill forever with dignity and pride. You will always play forever till another song go wide. Stumpy Sound, you run your style and then forever you shall live. Your sound is the number one where no other sound can kill. Rule America and West Indies, playing ever strong and free. And we vow to kill our sound wise who try to test and be.
Now greetings are massive on our crew. Now you come here to call Freddie Man.
It is truly Unruly Stumpy Sound, man.
Father Stumpy no watch that. Senior killer, you don't know, DJ Tiki. Fire Lane, the whole of St. Thomas and New York. Freddie Man Reggae, we run the program. Stumpy, do it!
Last night I heard a song playing, and I wonder who it was. But from the sound of the drum and the sound of the beat, for the stompings in the town, it's a way for soundclash. And I know just how you feel, for they're saying this and they're playing that, but no legal sound can just Unruly Stumpy will murder sound.
Idiot song boy, idiot song time. Yeah. Murder time. Run away. A gunshot only. Unruly kill them in a sound clash party. Yeah. Run with them, you idiot sound you cause them no qualify. Unruly murdering sound boy. In any dance tonight,
Easy now, Marcy, it's for the case. With Unruly Stumpy.
I'm talking over, wait till later now. Reggae King, big up.
Killing a sound is so easy to do. And that's what Unruly Stumpy gonna do to you. It is not good for you to dance to the sound. Unruly Stumpy's gonna mash you down. Disrespect the father Stumpy. Unruly danger and fly high.
Plus everybody for the ground.
Boy died. Think of St. Thomas, New York, MOBAY. Watch out, boy, Unruly heading your way.
Every boy should up here to run, you know what?
It's time to take a boy life. Every minute I make someone die. And we want you to know that you deserve it now. Unruly gonna show you how you get murdered. No one loves this someone.
Plus remember about dancehall from time.
Porto, MOBAY, countryside, St. Thomas and Canada. Unruly Stumpy sound plays good dub. In this dance, I say dub. Someone, hey. We set the place on fire. Are we the dogs we play? They might have someone better run away. Oh, don't you ever come back this way.
Please, yeah, man, stop the rolling.
himself for free. Oh, the stuff just the way and free. So we come to know you were right now. Kill them, take them away to the mud.
Then of the world countryside.
When Stumpy I bring on your leg.
Listen to the sound of
Stumpy sound is a movie star, and we don't feel
Yup, this is the business, we can't tell them to know.
anywhere, anytime.
It's true.
TikTok that's running right now, tossing them idea. I'm chatting for the media over here tonight. Now,
I make me tell you this. You won't make me talk anything, yeah. I am a chat for the girl that me play for. No, no jump on the brother. No play bass down on finger. You, some boy with the damn knife. I will
Krazy Dawg song anniversary.
not true we can
Oh, but we love something.
but some boy be like. Them a go on, them a go on. Stumpy sound a go kill.
Everybody when we can different and say, put the plan and get from early. Tell them.
Alright then, come on now, listen now. But I try to live my life in the best way I can. Sound is sound, sound is sound. Sound is sound like a murder sound. Because I'm breaking down. Sound is strong, sound is strong. Taking you for guidance. Changing our greatness.
So that person come. All that pain to big up the outside. Let's send them tomorrow and round and get warm. Yeah, mommy.
Guess who's killing a sound boy? Said a Stumpy sound. Guess who's murdering a sound boy? Said a Stumpy sound. Oh, I can see you coming from studio with some love.
I big bunch of big up the outside. Boy, Krazy Dawg here.
Boys get clean up.
And the boy, yes, later.
See now sound clash, look sound, Stumpy put copper on a sound by a shop. Then begin, cause man a touch them body drop. But we tell you, no we no hit, we no clown. In a Stumpy, get no sandals. Sound get copper in a place for them dark. Them a rumors, them a smell young jazz.
Let's send them tomorrow and round and get on.
Them sound the way.
Humble, no matter big, when Stumpy bust a good shot when I heard. So no matter big, say you like if I you know every like it. So no matter big, no matter big. I'm rolling.
So over. I'm
The question of the dancer from that time.
I want you to toss it out and let them know. I want you to bounce it out and let them know. Stumpy sound make you dance. You ragamuffin and you jump. Okay now. Rumble you rumble. See. Mercy. That is the one earthquake. Stumpy sound and I see them red. Now the earthquake. With the music you must
Big up to all the watching from the right now. Put the plan on here.
ever ready. Oh yeah. I want to get here. Don't be jumping around. Jamo.
Put the bottom of the ice place up, see, but just in a one year.
You said she want Stumpy killed someone. The ruler of DANCEHALL. I never thought he would be. Stumpy sound killed so quickly. Even
yeah. Stumpy sound.
What am I saying?
Every sound got their eyes on you. Stumpy sound.
Yo,
I heard him say Stumpy sound in a talking town, baby. And I've got to let them know Stumpy sound, you are the center of attraction. And I'm not on my office.
Big up to everybody put it on. But everyone's here tonight, you know what?
Stumpy sound is got it.
that's Stumpy real sound. Some boy,
Drinks on the right there.
I'm gonna talk, I'm gonna fuck up the boy face. See that's it? Some boy you just don't get it. Enjoy the hurt. I know you feel it's doublet. Busting up the blood. We don't believe them stories. Select your guys tell
Get the blood warm up, get used to the machine.
if you hear sound.
Touch sound, bad sound there.
Stumpy sound again, to be that sound. Matter what they do, they get so down. Matter what they do, sound boy come and test. Stumpy sound gonna feel you. If I wanna be
Reckless from a beautiful lady that be the love.
What is one to your friend, your phone, your friend,
Let go the time.
you said that song, boy.
Later on. Okay, you feel lucky here later, you know why?
Glory, hallelujah.
yo, Stumpy.
All the respect we really want to do in the ear for me. Must be a defender and the position of the Atarana. Wow! Combination, ready? All the rest of the culture, put a pen in our ear. This is Stumpy sound. All the captain with us a sword in our ear.
Unruly Stumpy, them a bust. Sweet sound of never heard of sound. Unruly Stumpy sound, them a the king. Yeah, we not laugh, we not stand. Don't lie, don't bring up. One time we don't.
Yeah, my man. 15 million, what about the blood?
Yo, Stumpy,
Big up to everyone, take your play your money and come in. Be a bad sound nigga. Cheap Let the time get low, but right.
Fools get still. Still is a killer anytime, anywhere. My child, I'm a killer here. Yeah, hey, what a blast, like some flash. This must be this unruly stumpy. Even them so light up like that. This must be them can this fearless like me sing.
Let me tell you some more. Last year, I didn't and be a fucking boy. See us in this year? Any boy make them dumping boy, can't take them. You know what I'm on?
You're so no good and you tune not up, so let's dance to jam music. Dance. So let's dance to jam music. Dance. Listen to the bass line and dance. Exclusive playing. Let's dance.
Won't you run, come taste exclusive? Say you have some new love. Run, come taste exclusive. Then they'll feed you one grave. We are gonna that exclusive. Hold on. Say you have a phone, music and dance.
Woman is think about the people that put music and cha. Now, it's a competition. Exclusive playing, yeah. The third match, the rock of the bride. Mountains around Jerusalem. You never invade if you're trying to bring us shame, cause some will never win. You cannot go around us, that's what tar us. No boy, this no. Now there's more than a million someone to kill. Already I got the will. More than a million pretty girls to show.
Exclusive song, big song.
Exclusive tear after groove from over the exclusive tear after groove over and that's the
I dance so nice again. Exclusive, this is doing signature market song representing the voices of yourself. You don't make it groove, you keep it real, you keep it real like steel. Roping, come on and tune in. Exclusive, just ride in. Cause this your rhythm is vital, vital. Gypsy, come on and bite in. Exclusive, you're riding. Cause this your rhythm, you're vital. I will say, cool runs. Exclusive sound, make me dance all night.
Check it, hey. Why, yo, exclusive, you a killer. Why, well, exclusive sound is like a puzzle with the big and hard, not the crack. A real sound killer, how we solid like crap. Them bad with dirty niggas, who we trample them flat. Smiling down with tears, I walk is stabbing on the back, but we not found them love. You must see, man, we gonna do that. Sound killer, from birth, hard with the rock. Central sound boy fan. Warm to them. Large of the man can't shout down. Chris Gary, Spidley and Master. One time, sir, feature. We did that one, them body pussing and fighting. Me did that tell them about the dub plate splicing. When some boy no one do the right thing. Exclusive, I go shot him with the
sound. Oh no. Exclusive gonna kill your sound tonight. Exclusive sound. Exclusive gonna kill your sound tonight. Exclusive sound. I've got to hold on.
This one is not yet for us. Things that I said us before, right? Sure. I'll say last year first. Play what you wanna play, yeah, yeah. That's not exclusive concern. Exclusive never lose their way. Forward we go, no time to reverse. They can't kill the sound. Who never kill my sound? Don't man selectors around. They try to push us to the ground. Exclusive never pass the line. Enemies, exclusive for the night. It's for country, for the black. Enemies, if you were burning life, you'll give them last night. Enemies, exclusive for the night. Exclusive, like,
So light, but what you playing away, you push your nose. Countries is ready to explode. Watch your step and where you push your nose. Exclusive is a heavy load. Temptation wanna push you on the line. Never, no sound, no matter we. No sound, would never threaten me. No sound, no matter we. No sound, would never check this out. But if I had to live my life without exclusive, it's dangerous. All musically, soundclash is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. It's only in exclusive, you know I put my trust. Soundclash is so serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Lord, exclusive sound. Let them out the town. We gonna fire by a pizza, and if we talk, you don't never get beat down. I know they try to use us, we need them with the pound. Exclusive put a fire by a pizza, and if we talk, you don't never get beat down. Exclusive sound, you're ready to learn, and you're ready to kill them, say yeah. Check this. Them sound, they're not in our class, tell about them part. This exclusive and we got them off. Them boy, they're not in our lane. Look the way them happy. Exclusive sound, them sound, they're not in our class. You think so? This hard.
Running on my palm, so now put it down on the world, me a tell. Exclusive, them have a brand name, say you are right. This what I'm in a minute, I'm flowing a real on top of top. Yo, that's right, this, never, hear it. World exclusive, kill fit on no perplex, them you necessity. Me boss it, and don't be a shit I go. Yo, flavor, hear it. Bunch of them go from Larry that just said hear it. Exclusive, tell me, how long do I let me do? Oh, bring them in a crow. Marrow flash shot over this and dance tonight. Marrow flash shot over this and dance tonight. Oh, Christmas business out.
Exclusive, sorry. Oh, exclusive, lot of mercy. We have heard a joke, but not a mercy. The next of it, tell them it's not the first, not the last. Some little jump on stone up the dark. Is that tell them you're the root is such a task. Exclusive, song, nobody wants. Exclusive is for the world. Summer. I can see exclusive never.
Exclusive sound, everybody sing the rarities and West Ended, yes indeed. Your father Chris them bad from morning. Exclusive sound, we put up with the woman, we not put up with the man. And from Sunday, then we say push up number one. Jonathan for pending and Fox land up in the Ryan. Slaughter jump on. Mama middy, mama middy, mama middy, mama. Another sound, then so we got another one. Exclusive, love from what you want.
Exclusive boss the mind from make me shut them for some boy goes up.
Me now watch no face, make no party. Go right in the clash, I say your sound again. Not even million good dogs I go save them. Them so sweet too much and them sounds boring. Exclusive sound and them a running nation. And them still sound boy for get some motion.
One time kill the landslide and I say yo. Chris me I say yo, nigga me I say yo. Jay, yo Chrome, yo Kid, yo John. Any other side the landslide, you hear that? Exclusive. Tell them we know to one, we don't play 40. All of your girl them a trophy. All of your dog that shut up like fortune. Damage you never pussy a shell, you fight for your girl, never throw she a son. Picking me a man to my life. You're even an explosive one. Get the picture, you count it up. Your clothes is up, you to post it up. Them post it up, I got to me loud the cup. Kill you nobody, you know we
Yeah, someone's looking at the bomber class. Officer, boss. Exclusive, tell them. Hey, you. Take a good look. Silver blood clot, you mean at the good book. The boy can't bring you all your own load. A girl alone, exclusive friend. Some boy a fish out and know them can't chat to me. They them function from me behind the blood one and how we know.
play my man, musically. Protect your neck, son boy. Exclusive, not taking a track. Protect your neck. Oh, exclusive, I want people. Exclusive, come on. After midnight,
Exclusive in the night.
You wanna make some nice.
Yeah, and now I see a King Force, you don't know the mighty King Force. Big up my wife, Father Tulops, Lady Alicia, big up brother, you done the Little London, Massive, Westmoreland, and the whole of St. Elizabeth, General from the dancehall Godfather. Later, enough some boys that they can't find this, they can't find them dub, they can't find the dub box, some can't find their shoe, their shirt, their hat. Let me tell you something, the mighty King Force, don't find the reasons, if you don't know the reason, watch out. We know the reason why some sound boy can't play nice. King Force is the reason. We're gonna play this, not play twice. Now we're killing a jump and in the lawn. A jump and a play and not a thing not one. King Force, your sound is champion. Oh and I'm killing a jump and in a soundclash. Cause them kind of jobs about a lot of cash. King Force, your sound is number one. We know the reason why some song boy can't play nice. King Force is the reason we're killing sound every season. Sometimes
Certain chambers have the bring it down. That's the man sit up without no time. While the song boy a dream. So the city sang to St. Elizabeth. Up in the hills, where the go down cold. Bullet and jungle swimming down in my pool. Staying away from the land of the moon. Magic King was there at home. And it's a final call. The King goes in moving loud. Final call. Some boy get a beat. Final call. Magic King goes in moving. Oh Lord, yeah. Doesn't matter what you play now, son boy. As long as you're not playing right, gonna lose tonight, yeah. So why, when you try to test my King Force and try to come take our ground, you will get thrown down. What sense does it make to taste our champion? In the end, you lose your soul. Oh, like your champion and leave the dance over. Magic King Force is the rule.
yeah, St. Bess, Westmoreland, Little London, all around. I chose the quality champion sound. See?
When you smoke your dirty coke and it turn you clean up, show you see my King Force sound. Them chalice in them eye. You been carrying feelings, now you in a garden. You not
shoot up on a bumbo clan. Hey yo, King Force around the place from inna the city. Some jump on decks, I want the place be empty. We never know said they woulda get so plenty. Some a fuck man physics and them a make all century. But we a cock-a-doodle, we doodle in a hen. We a doodle who a fool you, we no fall a back of men. We doodle, doodle, doodle.
Mighty King Force, me say. You feel no hit, you know what? The line is a lifetime of I think it was I wonder what day some sound boy will say that they want to go church. Ready to see that's when it's all the boys to them boy Kingston, New York, London, worldwide. Them and got shot the line, and them girl go hide. Tell mercy, mighty King Force. Well, sound boy make me tell you this thing.
King Force we kill ya.
Mighty King Force, shallin'. No motherfucking telling, boy, felling motherfucking niggas no walking and dwelling. All to looks, hey yo, one time crazy goose fence. Hey yo, bug, I want to them fucking baby talk. Hey yo, Brad, hey yo, Alicia, motherfucking niggas, you know me to all the real fucking gully creature. I want to them Nickel London. Hey yo, Westmoreland, St. Elizabeth, motherfucking niggas, you know. I want to them boy Kingston. Yo, New York, London, worldwide. Them a gunshot to line. All them girls go high. Tell mercy, mighty King Force. Well, sound man, make me tell you this thing.
King Force we kill ya.
Gunshot
man a royals and dummy. Your sound and abuse you.
It's best you call.
Sound boy make me
tell you this thing.
King Force we kill ya.
Gunshot
man a royals and dummy. Your sound and abuse you.
Well, when them run up in on this stuff, gunshot register. Up in on them woman, them dicks and them sister.
Yes, man, you talk about real sound and mighty King Force. You don't know Father Tullops, big up yourself, Brad Bog, you don't know Spence, yeah. I was like Krazy Dawg, big up yourself to the fullest. I was like big up Little London, big up yourself to the fullest, Westmoreland, yes, yeah, the Elizabeth. Oh,
I was saying good sound,
embellishment sound, you call it mighty King Force.
The one I need for mighty Force.
Yeah, baby. They can't walk like the workstation, don't just please move here. I'm gonna start about fire, boy. You know the bulldozer so don't show the neighbor, right? Please in the bass. Oh, Zanzibar. One cast from tonight. You know? Hear them. No, music is love and love alone. So if you don't love music, you can't love yourself here. All who believe in the reggae music, man.
Why should I wanna hurt a jump on underneath the thing when I know what's the forward? Leave some grain and rule.
Why should you like Sister Kalanje?
Why should I wanna kill a jump on underneath the thing when I know what's the forward?
Oh, just try to think about here, boy.
Nothing or no one gonna stop us now. We kill a jump on sound. Nothing or no one gonna stop us now. We kill a jump on sound. If it's them, I'll be turn up beating.
We don't want to get trouble, but we believe in our self-defense. We can't turn away, we say that girl ching on the end.
I kill them.
Let no to mercy, we no get it back yet. This is my King Force and them. Let them say we give away with pity. Please try it. Check say you rough we are men. Mercy your call, spend sticker like y'all. Make sure say you no book name your call. Help see we get all your marrow flesh out and the wall. You all like ball. Remember mighty Force. Now from Brethren, let y'all we chain and we let.
Right now we are trying to play some classical dubs for you.
Chain not the car.
It's from the voice of the man we call.
Kill, kill. Everything Force up in there.
I'm saying
that your plans to be. Kill them quickly.
I'll tell you.
And I was loving of the music sound. And if I pass it come challenge we.
Anytime the sound roll on from Westmoreland.
We don't want crap. Don't make a way of them like gunshot. Look for your fairy there.
Anytime you see the Isus, a big truck roll out. Always them must have the bad man sound I roll here. One mighty King Force there. Bulldozers on the road.
They come from Ghana. They cross it up and we will waste not here. Because we wanna jump and have more than seven. Watch for this.
Load up here with the mixing eye. You know.
Come from Ghana. I'll be doing it from them, so call it a way. Don't let the bombs and
This is dancehall. All who love reggae music.
show of life in more than a necessary make it reach the expense go dance Talk to your trust but your more is the baby This will be the baby check your phone every day Kick force the villain in the team out of it
Can they play a very exclusive the building? We can play one very exclusive one.
Where's my love? Why don't shot for some go to your just King Force your sound well
Every time you see the bulldozer put respect for with him here.
No respect is respect
Hear me on the devil.
The mighty King Force the bulldozer sound and father to looks brand new. Watching that my league. Here again he said the way you say.
Now we take him a roll.